Welcome to my channel. In this video, you're going to learn about the law of exponents, particularly the product rule. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share my videos, and like if you like it. So I have here x raised to 1, and that is equal to simply x. If I have x raised to 2 or x squared, that is equal to x times x. If I have x cubed, which means x times x, 3 times, right? So basically, the exponent means just it says how many times the base is multiplied, or we are just having a repeated multiplication. Now, if I have x squared times x cubed, it means that x squared is x times times x cubed means x times x, which is equal to, I have now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is x to the 5th power. Now, look at this one. X to the 5th power is simply, instead of doing like this, we can just simply add the exponent, which is 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5. Which means that if we are multiplying with the same base, simply, you're just going to add the exponent, 2 plus 3. You don't need to do it like this anymore in order to get the answer, which is x to the 5th power. So in general now, if I have x raised to m times x raised to n, the same base, simply that is adding the exponents. So x raised to m plus n. And don't forget, that's what we call the product rule for exponents. So now let's apply the rule in simplifying these given expressions here. I have here 2 squared times 2 to the 4th power, so the same base. Copy the base and add the exponent, 2 plus 4, that is 6. So 2 to the 6th power. And then if you want to simplify this one, multiply 2 6 times. 2 times 2, 4, times 2, 8, times 2, 16, times 2, 32, and times 2, 64. Okay, another example. 3x cubed times 5x. So in this case, first, you're going to multiply the number or the numerical coefficient. That is 3 times 5, that is equal to 15. And then, this variable x, copy that one because they're the same. And the exponent here, you're just going to add. Understood there is 1. So 3 plus 1 here. And that is equal to 4. X to the 4th power. So 15 15x to the 4th power. Now, let's have x squared, y, times negative 2x, y cubed. And that is equal to negative 2, x to the 3rd power, y to the 4th power. So understood there is 1. 1 times negative 2, that is negative 2. Then in x plus 1 here, that is 3. We have 1 here, and this is 3, that is equal to 4. Next, negative 5a squared bc cubed times negative 2ab cubed c. So simply multiply the numerical coefficient first. Negative 5 times negative 2, that is positive 10. Negative times negative is positive. Now for a, we have here 2 plus 1. So for a, we have 3. For b, we have 1 understood, and there is 3 here, so it means 4. 1 plus 4. And for c, we have 3 and 1 here, so that is 4. So therefore, the answer is equal to 10a cubed, b to the 4th power, and c to the 4th power. You want to try this? You can pause the video and unpause if you are ready. So now here, y to the 10th power. Simply copy the base y and add the exponent 6 plus 4, 10. Here, there are 3 factors here, but they are all of the same base, so y just copy the base now and add the exponent. And that is equal to y to the raised to the 12th power. Here, so multiply 6 times 7, and that is 42. And then the exponent of x, you can add 3, for y is 5. So that is 42x cubed y to the 5th power. You got it right? Here, negative 3 times positive 8, that is negative 24. So that is negative 24x to the 10th because 2 plus 8, that is 10. And then for y, 1 plus 4, that is 5. And for z, 1 plus 5, that is 6. How about this one? Negative 6 times 5, that is negative 30. Negative 30 times negative 2, that is positive 60. Now, for x, 1 plus 7, that is 8. There is no x here. And then for y, we have 1 plus 4, that is 5, plus 1 here, that is 6. For z, we have 3. There is no z here. And we have 5 here, so that is z raised to 8 power. Did you get it all right? Congratulations! Please don't forget to watch my next video about other laws of exponent. See you in the next one. Bye! Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.